Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. So make it a great night, folks. To begin a great relationship, know what you want. Know what the needs of your body are, what the needs of your mind are, and what fits well with you. There are millions of men and women. Some will make a good match with you, and others won't. The two of you only need to be like a key in a lock, a match that works. Oh, yeah. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 9, NASDAQ up 6, S&P's down 2, gold contract flat at $1,317 an ounce. Silver up a penny at $19.30 an ounce. Gold, silver, markets, everyone's waiting for 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, folks. Platinum is up $9, trading at $1,030 an ounce. You have copper flat at $216 an ounce. Light sweet crude up 22 cents, trading at $44.08 a barrel. Bonds weren't waiting for the Fed announcement. Bonds up 2 ticks, 130.15 for the notes. That's the 10-year note. 30-year bond up 7 ticks, 165.30. Both the 10-year note and the 30-year bond had been higher. They rejected higher price once again. They had lighter volume. Bottom line, they both want lower price. King dollar up 204 ticks, 95.96. What King dollar has done once again, it rejected lower price yesterday, rejected lower price today. Bottom line, King dollar wants to get up into its swing high from July, which is in the 97 to 98 area. The euro is trading at $1.11, and the yen is trading at 101.74. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You have a buyer's strike, folks. Bottom line, yesterday, what did we do? Yesterday, market tries to get the higher price. With Europe even being higher, couldn't hold higher price. Gave it up on price, gave it up on volume. Yesterday, you did 80 million shares. Well, guess what? Today, you couldn't even get to that high. You did 66 million shares. So that is building cause to do an ABC structure on the way down. What I expect we're going to see here is that, right now the SPY's at 213. The last high volume low we had was the 24th, 26th, and 27th of June. That's Brexit. That high volume swing low in the SPY is $198. If we want to go over, we want to take a few of the large caps inside the Dow Industrials and take a look at where they are. And I want to thank our man Duffy yesterday for showing me this. If we take a look at GE, you're going to see GE is trading at $29.67. Well, GE had a high out here of 32. The low that we're talking about from the Brexit on the 27th is $29. Bottom line, GE's already there. You go over to Boeing. We take a look at Boeing. Guess what? Boeing's right next to it. Boeing had been up at a high of 139. The high volume low that we're talking about out here is from 125 to 122, and Boeing's at 127. Those equities are releasing information to the marketplace that is where the market wants to go. NDX 100. Let's go take a look at the NDX 100. So, bottom line is that the NDX 100 led the market lower after testing its high for the 4th time. What the Qs did out here, we're at $117. We'll see how they handle the $113. $113 was the low that was established out here on the 12th. Small caps, same type of setup. Small caps gave it up on price yesterday, had lighter volume, had even lighter volume today, couldn't handle it. Small caps are also making their way down into this $114 to $108, and right now we're at $122. Gold contract, you can expect some action inside the metals market, folks, and what I do expect you're going to see inside the metals market is going to be, that action is going to be at 11 o'clock tonight. And why? Because the Bank of Japan is finishing a 2-day meeting. 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time tonight is when they're going to be announcing what they're going to do. And they've been trying for a long time to make the yen weaker. They haven't been able to do it. You know, what they say, I suspect, is going to move the dollar, is going to move the metals market. Sorry, folks, excuse me. So gold. Gold is trading right now at a price point of $1,318, and gold looks like it wants to get into the June 24th level. That's Brexit, $12.59. Silver, same type of setup in the silver market. Excuse me, folks, I'm sorry. Same setup in the silver market. What we have with silver, silver is trading out, let's see, SIZ. Silver is trading out at a price point of $19.30. And bottom line is that, price, the silver price held. However, your volume is anemic. We're going into 82,000 contracts. We did 34,000. Yesterday, you did 48,000. And guess what? If it's all about bonds, we take a look at the 30-year bond first. What you're going to see, 30-year bond out here today gets to $166.23. Closes at $165.30. So it loses a full point. Has 168,000 contracts, which is so anemic, it's amazing. And, you're going into 312,000. So you get yourself a large potential ABC structure on the way down that will take this 30-year bond into the 159 area. If we take a look at the 10-year bond, what you have with the 10-year is about a point and a half ABC structure on the way down. That's still a big number for the 10-year. 10-year, we're at 130 and a half. I expect you're going to be somewhere about 129. And King Dollar, we go over to King Dollar. What you're going to see at King Dollar closed at its highs. King Dollar on Friday had wide price spread, accelerated volume once again. This wasn't, once that King Dollar's been doing this. Yesterday, you pull back with dramatically lighter volume. On Friday, we went topside with 39,000 contracts. Yesterday, you come lower and rejected lower price with 13,000. We rejected lower price again today with 15,000. And you closed at the high of the day. What that sets up, folks, it sets up, number one, it wants to jump over 96.21. Right now at 95.960. And what I expect you're going to see is that this is going to make that run going all the way up into this 97.61 area. So you can expect high volatility out here tonight, starting as soon as that Bank of Japan comes out, and right up until I figure they'll calm down. The market should calm down a bit tomorrow in the morning before the Fed announcement at 2 o'clock. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials finished up 9. NASDAQ up 6. S&P's down 2. We're going to be right back.